Welcome to the dark side. I'm Curtis. This is the 2007 Okanagan 116ULT. Follow me to your new ultimate suite. On the inside, we have two rear opposing slides. So we have a massive kitchen with double sinks, microwave, 3-burner stove, oven. Over here, we have a huge U-shaped dinette, lots of cabinetry, and a massive plasma screen that folds in and out. We have your refrigerator and freezer, closet, full-size bathroom, and a queen-size bed with another closet space. Come check it out at Braun's Fun Time Campers.